Hi there. My name is Megan, and I wanted to send you this quick website audit video just to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So I talked with someone at your office, and they let me know that I should send this email with the video to the, Reeso at reesotiles.com email, and I'm just hoping you guys get a lot out of the video. So I know most business owners are extremely busy and they don't necessarily have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So I started making these videos to give tips and recommendations. If you have any questions, you'd like to discuss any of this further, I own my own digital marketing company in San Antonio, and I'd love to hop on a call and talk. Either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a couple of easy ways to beat your competition online. So the three things we're going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like tile flooring San Antonio, tile stores in San Antonio, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So looking at your website, I really like the design and layout, and the theme just goes right along with what you guys are marketing here. Your homepage has really great eye-catching photos, it's user-friendly, and Google really loves that when it's really easy to navigate to different product pages, which obviously it is up here. You have all your different products. So that's really awesome. If you guys have received any awards, I'd recommend adding those to the homepage and adding testimonials from past clients on there too. That's just always a huge plus to have on the homepage. It really builds trust with prospective buyers. So one suggestion I have is to be sure that each page and image is optimized for SEO by adjusting image meta names and internal linking to improve the user experience. So like for instance here, if we click here, this is good. You have interlinking right here. So it takes you straight to the Talavera tiles, and it gives you all these options. That's a really, really good way of improving the experience. So definitely want to do more of that. Once you add some more content onto the homepage, I would recommend doing some more linking as well. So the main thing I would say to you that you definitely will want to do here on the homepage is you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And you want it to be keyword rich. So what that means is whenever someone types in, tile San Antonio, you want your site to pop up. So that would be one of the keywords that I would use in the content here on the homepage to just describe, more in depth what you guys do and what you offer. And if you hit that 1,500 word mark that's recommended, the rule of thumb is typically one keyword phrase for every 100 words. So you're looking at somewhere around 10 to 15 keywords that you'll want to have kind of spread throughout organically throughout the paragraphs in the homepage. So that's my biggest recommendation here. Otherwise, I really love the site. I love what you guys have done with it. It's really cool, and all of your tiles are awesome. I mean, if I was putting tile in my house right now, I would definitely be looking at you guys to do the job for me because this is very cool. So the next thing I want to go over is backlinks. The thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you, or a popular website that features various types of home services. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have a lot more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza or Macy's department store, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. So I went ahead and put your website up here on Ahrefs, and it looks like you have 161 backlinks. That's coming from 56 different websites. And then you have a 237 as your organic traffic. So that tells me that you're getting, 237 people in the last 30 days have visited your website, which is really good. But we definitely want to have more traffic coming to your website. Otherwise, you're going to be losing out on a lot of potential clients. And you'll see what I mean here. So compared to your top competitor in San Antonio, CRT Flooring, I'm sure you've heard of them. They have, higher quality backlinks. They have a lot of them. So, and then they also have 1.2K, so 1,200 website visits per month. So, a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have and then continue to keep adding more and more so you'll surpass them while gaining more and more power to your site. A lot more organic traffic and new customers, of course, will come along with that, which is our ultimate goal. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. So citations are really important because when someone's looking for a service, they're most likely going to type in, Tiles San Antonio, and they're going to look right here at the local map pack listings. Most people see these 3 companies as the best companies in town to use for whatever they're searching for. And they think, okay, they have ratings, they have reviews, they're at the top. Well, the reason they're at the top is because they have the most citations. So they're not necessarily the best of the best, but they have more citations than the other companies in the area. And citations are just directories, places where you list your business name, phone number, and address. And so it'd be, things like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in those exact same directories and you add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. What's going to happen is over time, you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack, and you're going to be ranking at the top. By the time your competitors realize it, they're not going to be able to catch up. You'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all that new business. So here is my website. This is my company, Lobo Leads, and this is my phone number. If you have any questions about the information I went over, I always love to hear those and answer those. And if you have any feedback for me, that would be great. And I really, really appreciate you watching this video today. And I definitely hope to hear back from you soon. Thanks.